Hello, welcome to this video on DevOps and AWS Cloud. The first question which comes to our mind is, what is DevOps? The quick answer is, it is the blend of our culture values, maybe certain practices, and for sure tools. These tools increase our organization's capacity to deliver application software and services at high speed. The second question is, why AWS for DevOps? The answer to this question is, in AWS the services are already available and ready to use. We do not need any setup. The services are provided by AWS and you only use their resources without worrying about any installation, etc. The services which you use are scalable. You can have one instance or maybe many. You use AWS IAM for access control to make it secure. You can use tools from partners. They help you out in doing your tasks faster. As in any other services in AWS, here also you only pay when you use the services. There is no upfront commitment or long-term contract. If you want to learn DevOps, the first step is to understand the DevOps tools which are available in AWS. For CI/CD, the services which you use are AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Build, AWS Code Deploy, and AWS Code Staff. To build and deploy microservices, you can use Amazon Elastic Container Service and Amazon Lambda. Infrastructure as code. Herein you can easily provision, configure, and manage your AWS infrastructure resources using code and templates. This service is available from AWS. There are four services. AWS CloudFormation. Herein you can use sample templates or you can create your own templates. AWS OpsWorks. This particular configuration management service is from AWS and this service uses Chef. AWS System Manager. This particular service helps you to collect software inventory, apply OS patches, and further create system images. AWS Config. This is a fully managed service from AWS. End of part 1.